Hi beautiful family, on today's video we are making the best hair growth tonic that will help to stop hair fall, hair loss, regrow your crown section, your edges and your bald spots, and also help to boost your hair growth, grow your hair longer, thicker and fuller. So let me show you step by step on how to prepare this hair growth tonic and how to use it to get that best results. To make this best hair growth tonic, my first ingredient is fenugreek seed. Why is it fenugreek seed? Fenugreek seed boosts blood circulation, help reduce dandruff, rich in protein. It also helps to fight hair fall and dandruff. It also treats dry hair, control baldness and hair thinning. So do you see why we need fenugreek seed in this best hair growth tonic? Because fenugreek seed will help to solve our hair problems like hair fall, dandruff, regrow your hair in bald spots, treat your dry scalp, your dry hair, grow your hair faster, and so many of them. And also fenugreek seed contain protein, and protein is very important in our hair growth regiment. Maybe your hair is falling excessively or your hair is losing, you are losing a lot of hair. You need protein on your hair regimen. So adding fenugreek seed in this best hair growth tonic will help a lot to balance your hair, help a lot to stop that your hair weakness and also thicken up your hair. My second ingredient is basil leaf. Basil leaf is another good herbs that will help a lot to solve our hair problems. Why did I choose basil leaf in this best hair growth tonic? Because basil leaf promotes hair growth, reduces hair loss, controls dandruff, strengthens hair, help to stop itching scalp and also scalp irritation, and moisturize to the hair, and also provide scalp healthy. So if your scalp is not healthy, your scalp is always itching you, in the process of itching your scalp, or you have scalp irritation, it will be causing you problems on your hair, will be knacking your hair anyhow, and in that case you will not be returning length, and that case your hair will not be healthy. So adding basil leaf in this best hair growth tonic is a game changer also. So do you see, cooperating these two ingredients, they are not a mistake in this best hair growth tonic. So moving on to the third ingredient is star anise. Star anise is another herb that natural hair community, they are not talking too much about it, but believe me, star anise is so amazing in our hair growth journey. You need to start cooperating star anise. There is one they call anise itself, and anise and the star anise, they are the same thing. The anise is the seed of the star anise. Okay, so if you can provide the anise or the star anise, believe me, they are the same. Okay, so why did I choose star anise in this best hair growth tonic? Because star anise stimulates hair growth, repair damaged hair, addressing scalp issues like dandruff, lice, itchiness and also dry scalp. Do you see why these three powerful ingredients, they are very important in our hair growth journey? Combine these powerful three ingredients together, guys, is a game changer for you. So let's put these three ingredients together to get that best hair growth tonic. So as you can see, I have already pour the ingredients inside this my jar container and pour in hot water on it. I will cover it up now and keep it aside to infuse 12 hours. You can as well to infuse it 8 hours or do boiling method, but I choose to do infusion method. Okay, so after 12 hours my best hair growth tonic is ready. So what I just did now, I just shake it up so that they will mix up very well. Okay, then next thing is to bring my bowl and my shifter to collect my best hair growth tonic. our best hair growth tonic is ready to be used. If you don't have the time to infuse this by infusion method, you can as well boil it, okay? But while boiling, just boil it 7 to 10 minutes with low heat, okay? After then, allow it to cool down. You can now use it, but I like using infusion method. So if you don't have the time, go for boiling method, okay? So next thing, I bring my spray bottle to transfer my best hair growth tonic. Now I have shown you how to prepare this best hair growth tonic. Now let me show you how to use it to get all these good benefits that is supposed to get in this hair growth tonic. So this is the stage of my hair. My hair is in protective hairstyle in cornrows. I love using on my hair growth tonic or hair growth tea spray on a protective hairstyle. In that way, I will get more best results, and also I will save my hair for breakage or hair fall whenever I will take my hair down. So using all this hair growth tonic or tea spray while your hair is protective hairstyle will help you a lot to solve those problems that you have been battling with. If you have been battling with hair fall, hair loss, itchy scalp, try to wear protective hairstyle. And once you put down your hair in protective hairstyle, start using, pick any of best hair growth tonic or tea spray you'd love out there. Use them consistent until you take that hair down. Believe me, if you are consistent on it, and if you prepare that hair growth tonic or tea spray in a proper way, before you take that your hair down like 1 month or 6 weeks or 5 weeks, you will definitely see a huge difference on that your hair problems. Believe me, I mean it when I said it, okay? There is no joke. I'm telling you the honest truth. If you follow up the instruction they gave to you, you will definitely see a good result. Before you take the hair down, and also after taking the hair down, your hair will never remain the same. There is no joke. So I'm just using it now on my cornrows, okay, to use it to hydrate my hair. One of the best way to use this best hair growth tonic is to use it as a leave-in condition or a leave-in treatment. Don't wash it out. If you want to tackle those problems, if you want to solve those problems, do not wash it out. Allow it to sit on your hair. In that case, it will have more longer time and more chance, and more it will sit proper on your hair and do that good work it's supposed to do on your hair. But if you wash it out after applying it, believe me, you will not get that good result like when you leave it on your hair to sit on your hair. So if you want this best hair growth tonic to solve that your hair problems like hair fall, dandruff, itching scalp, hair growth, and so many of them, leave this best hair growth tonic to sit on your hair, okay, so that you get the best results. Another way you can use this best hair growth tonic is to use it in a warm form. Don't use it in a cold form. Warm it up a little bit, let it be a little bit warm, and then apply it on your hair. In that way, it will help to open your hair cuticles. If your hair is low porosity, this method of warming method will help you a lot. It will help this best hair growth tonic to penetrate very well into your scalp. And after doing that, do not neglect scalp massage. Make sure you massage your scalp. Massaging your scalp is the best. Do not just apply this best hair growth tonic without you follow up with scalp massage. It's very, very important you massage your scalp to get that best result. Next thing again is to make sure that after massaging your scalp, follow up with your leave-in condition or your hair butter to stay in the moisture. In that way, if you stay in the moisture, it will help this best hair growth tonic to sit longer time on your hair without tripping out. And also it helps to keep your hair moisturizer, prevent dryness, okay? Another thing, after using this best hair growth tonic on your hair, please cover up your hair like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 15 minutes. Remove the shower cap or the cellophane or the heat cap. Allow your hair to air dry. All these points I list out, if you follow up these points, it will help you a lot to get good results while using this best hair growth tonic. And if you want to use it as your final thin rinse, I swear you can use it as your final thin rinse. After then, cover your hair, but don't rinse it out. If you don't want to rinse it out, let it remain. Don't rinse it thoroughly out of your hair, okay? So how many times can you use this best hair growth tonic to get that best result? Use it 3 to 4 times in a week. Storage, this can last only but 5 to 7 days in your refrigerator. After then, anyone that you have left, please discard it and make a fresh batch. I hope I have shown you the best hair growth tonic that will help you to solve your hair problems. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Please, if you have not joined this beautiful family, do wait to click on that subscribe button. And please, once you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification bell to all, so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop amazing videos like this. And help me to like this video. If you have not liked, please click on that like button, okay? It really helps the growth of the channel, and also it motivates me and encourages me to bring out more good content to you guys, okay? Lastly, share this video to your family and friends so that they will know the best hair growth tonic to grow their hair. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. If there's anything I did not cover up, please let me know in comment section below. If you have any question, or if you have tried this best hair growth tonic before, let me know in comment section below. And if you have not tried it, please give it a try and bring your feedback to me, okay? See you guys on my next video. Bye.